Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add lang KK and it on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say, and you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here like you say, and you just click here on account security, and it's going to take you to this window here, and you click here on more settings, then it's going to take you to this window, and you come here to KKA here, you click, and I don't have if I say it all right, so you click here on link now, so you add here your it, and you click here on password, and you click here on down, and it's going to verify with you or add with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.